Hey, welcome back to Hugo House. And today, let's talk about why the internet loves this park model log cabin. And whether you wish to build a log cabin or home, these building plans could be the perfect design for you. This log cabin is for a 775 square foot log cabin with 182 square feet of deck space, which makes it great for those who want a smaller cabin or a tiny house. Our log cabin plan are drawn up and available to order to start your own building project or to hand off to builders to get the building done for you. You could possibly even give them to a prefab log cabin kit builder so that you could have an easy to assemble kit ready to build yourself. When you order the full-sized cabin plans, you get the log cabin's floor plan and blueprint, as well as the side elevations. All of these plans and drawings are on a 1 1/4 scale and come in PDF format. The PDF version of the file can be printed off at full size at a printing shop in your area or by an architectural designer. This particular log cabin design features 2 bedrooms that are situated at the very back of the cabin, which is great for privacy. There's also 1 bathroom close to the bedrooms with a space for a corner shower, toilet, and sink with a vanity. The 2 bedrooms are not the same size. One is larger than the other, so it could be good for a small family with 1 small child or for a couple or single person to have a small home office. The living area is large and open, with a dining area in the center of the home and the kitchen close behind. Instead of being in a room of its own, the kitchen is situated along one wall of the cabin's midsection. This keeps the entire floor plan very nice and open, creating great flow and seemingly more space as well. The living room is on the other end of the cabin from the bedrooms, which would help to disperse noise when people are trying to sleep. There are also 2 decks off of the home, one that exits out of the dining area in the middle part of the home, and the other which exits near to the living room, giving 2 entrances and exits from the home. The plans you purchase from our website also include the editable AutoCAD file, which means you can change anything you need to change as needed. You will need to have these changes made to the plan by a technologist, since the AutoCAD software is required for editing. If you want to take advantage of our modification services and custom log home plan design, we can also provide 3D renderings for you. This will help you see what your home will look like once it's completed and bring the floor plans to life. To get started on deciding what type of plan you'd like, you can search through our log cabin plans or have a look at the many log homes and cabins on the website to get some ideas for your own log home designs. And that's it for our video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, and also please subscribe to this channel. We always feature new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. And I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.